Thinking about career advancement, job change, on launching your own business, and not sure where to start? Well, your future starts with a strong personal brand. I'm Julita Davies, personal branding consultant and trainer. And I would like to invite you to join my personal branding online course. For the past 15 years, I work in marketing and digital branding, and I've been dedicated to actively building product and company brands. But as a trainer and consultant, also brands for business professionals, executives, and entrepreneurs. I help many people just like you. If you can't work with me personally, this online course is a great way for you to start working on your personal brand and a way to communicate it effectively to build strong, meaningful business and personal relationships. The years of work with individual clients as well as group workshops led to the creation of the ultimate personal branding workbook with many practical exercises to discover, define, and drive your personal brand. Some of the exercises from the workbook are part of this course, so you can make the most of the online learning. The course is divided into two parts. First part is focused on helping you discover what personal branding is really about, the importance of the image and the executive presence, as well as understanding how first impressions are created and why they are so important. I will also talk about the appearance and how it can support your personal brand, as well as body language, a very important element of your professional image. Second part is based on the workbook and will guide you through a process to discover, define, and drive your personal brand. We will start with auditing your professional equity and assets, defining your audience and message, and finally, making a plan to drive your brand via online and offline channels. In this part, it is important that you download all related materials and put time and effort into making the exercises. Join me now and let's work together on your amazing, remarkable, memorable